I mean, I took a small video I can post on there.
So we just climbed from way up there,
all the way
down here, down this, and then we found this. Sorry if you can't see it very well.
It's a cave.
And there is a freaking cave at the bottom of this waterfall, and nobody, I guarantee you at least, like, we are probably that few % of people that can actually climb down.
It's literally a vertical drop. You gotta climb.
You have to physically, like, free climb.
Show them the
down
hill
rocks.
again. There was multiple occasions where we had to climb down stuff like that. That was about 10 feet. It's crazy.
But we did it.
We made it.
We're here. This is crazy. But look up under there.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna just show y'all what we have to do. This is it. We're just standing Confederate too. Crazy.